Good morning, folks. Jeremy Duncan here, platform architect on the solution innovation team. I just wanted to take a few moments and walk you through installing the emergency response apps that our CEO, Bill McDermott, announced overnight. So ServiceNow is here to partner with you to make workflow better in your organization. And in this uncharted and unprecedented time that we live in, this is our way to help you through the crisis response. So encourage you to just do a quick Google search on COVID-19 and ServiceNow and check out this article on the applications that we're offering to the public for free. So jumping over into an instance right now, I just wanted to demonstrate the difference real quick between New York and Orlando. So these applications are certified for New York. So if you happen to have an Orlando instance, which would mean you have early release or you are a ServiceNow employee trying to demonstrate this to your customers, just note the only difference that we've seen thus far is that the images are broken. So just walking you through the install of the application. So first off, let's just assume you've loaded your home page. I did jump ahead for you, but all you have to do is type in applications in the left-hand filter navigator, scroll down under system applications, all available applications, click all, type in emergency. You'll see 6 results, 4 of which are the applications that we talked about in the press release. So I've already installed 3. I'm going to wait for this last one, emergency self-report, and I'm going to walk you through it. So click install. Of course, we want to load demo data and install. Each application does just take a moment or two to get installed. So we're going to check out the emergency applications. And wait a minute, it's not there. So let's do a quick cache dump. So if you take your instance name on the end, type in cache.new, drop your cache, and back in, type in emergency, and voila, emergency response operations, emergency self-report, exposure management, and outreach. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos on how to actually navigate these applications.